Hey, what's good GGP fans? Or hey GGP fans and Merry Christmas once again. So today today is another Christmas items right here. Perhaps you know what this is. A gift from my brother, Roy, and see. Oh my gosh. So now my brother got me for the gaming chair. I can say yeah. Yeah, lightsaber and Darth Vader helmet. Okay, so this is gonna be the setup, and then it's gonna take it for a few hours, or we're gonna take it speed up of a time lapse. For now, I'm gonna take it for a while bit, so stay tuned about the going to time lapse for speed up and to see what a big gaming chair looks like. So, GGP fans, what should I say to you, GGP fans? Now you can see alright on my gaming chair, look. Very comfy if I barely just sit down and then lay down by the rest. And see, gonna light it up. See the batteries included there. I believe there was something in the batteries. Yeah, so anyways, and I rather do another time lapse to put on this LED chair lights up. So I'll be right back.
Yeah, nice, right?
Yeah.
Reminds me of a sports car, right? See, reminds me of that Corvette, the GT2 bucket seat. Huh?
Hanging to that here somewhere?
Right there.
Say, repeat what you're saying.
Even the penguin is sick too, just like all of us, coughing. What are you looking for, Gordon?
Connected the world of LED lights anywhere.
Is it down here? No?
Supposed to be.
Check the manhole there. Then you can use your microphone, right? What is it? You got it?
I don't see it anywhere.
No, we're looking for a USB, right?
Yeah, USB.
What's that? Let me see. Where's that going? This one? Maybe here? No? Oh, do you connect this on your PC or no?
No.
Over here?
Yeah, here.
Where's this? Is this a plug?
Yeah, the plug.
Now you gotta connect this to like a USB port, like a plug for your, for example, your iPhone plug.
Yeah.
It's not here.
After the setup on this gaming chair, so yes, one of the best Christmas I ever had. So this is one of the most that I built and set up. So so my brother will be helping out on my upstairs and to replace on this old chair. It's been over like old for that. So click like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe for more videos if you want to see on the playlist of all contacts. And I'll see you all and Merry Christmas.